Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide the Express checkout buttons, including PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Shop Pay from your Shopify store. These buttons are designed to let customers skip the normal shopping flow and head straight to checkout. While they're useful for some stores, many merchants prefer to remove them to keep the product page cleaner, encourage customers to add multiple items to their cart, or maintain a more consistent checkout experience. The good news is that this is very easy to do, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Online Store, then Themes. Find your active theme and click Customize to open the theme editor. Once you're inside the editor, use the page selector at the top to switch to Products, then choose Default Product or whichever product template your store is currently using. In the left sidebar, locate the Buy Buttons section. Depending on your theme's version, you may see an option called Show Dynamic Checkout Buttons. Dynamic checkout buttons are the buttons that display payment methods like PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Shop Pay directly on the product page. Simply turn this option off. After disabling it, click Save in the upper right corner. Now visit one of your product pages and refresh the page. You should now only see the regular Add to Cart button. The Express checkout buttons should no longer appear, giving your product page a simpler and more consistent layout. If you don't see the dynamic checkout option, don't worry. Some themes or customized templates may hide this setting, or a third-party app may be adding the buttons instead. In that case, return to your Shopify admin and go to Settings, then Apps and Sales Channels. Review any recently installed checkout, payment, or conversion apps. If one of them is responsible for adding Express checkout buttons, temporarily disable it and check your storefront again. Another thing to keep in mind is that these buttons only appear if the corresponding payment methods are enabled in your store. If you no longer want customers to use a specific payment method, you can disable it completely. To do that, go to Settings, then Payments. Scroll to the payment provider you want to remove, such as PayPal. If it's connected, click Manage or Deactivate, depending on what your store displays. Confirm the change, and Shopify will stop offering that payment method during checkout. Keep in mind that disabling a payment provider affects your entire store, not just the product page, so only do this if you no longer want to accept that payment method. If you're still seeing the buttons after making these changes, try opening your store in an incognito window or clearing your browser cache. Sometimes your browser loads an older version of the page, making it seem like the changes didn't apply. You can also test your store on another device to confirm everything is working correctly. Finally, remember that removing Express checkout buttons doesn't affect your regular checkout process. Customers can still add products to their cart and complete their purchase using any payment methods you've chosen to keep enabled. This simply changes how the buying journey begins, giving you more control over the customer experience. And that's it. That's how you hide Express checkout buttons like PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Shop Pay in Shopify. It's a quick adjustment that can make your product pages look cleaner and encourage customers to follow your preferred checkout flow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.